Okay, I'm Brett Leese, and this is my Smackdown tutorial on goconqr. Just search it in Google here, and it'll pop up as the first link. The purpose of goconqr is basically to create quizzes and assessments, just like any other program. But the difference with goconqr is they use more of a social media approach to it, like a social network. So everything you make is shared. All the content you make is shared. All the quizzes you post, your responses, it's all interconnected. I'll show you. Alright, so we just sign in here, and I'm just going to end up using the Stockton Google account. Alright, so goconqr has a huge library, a giant library, over 800 million resources. These are just a couple of things that I selected because my degree is in biology, so that's what I'd end up teaching one day. And let's go through this biology one here. As you can see, there's a whole bunch of pre-made resources here. This icon stands for flashcards, which are pretty cool. Let's check out this one. So the nucleus, what's the nucleus? I don't know. Tells you, contains all the genetic material, controls the activities of the cell. Alright, so let's go into a quiz, and we'll try that out. It's a little 7-question quiz on biology. We'll just pick some random answers here, go through them. None of these are probably right. I think that one was right there. Okay, so now we can submit all the answers so that the teacher would get all these answers. And basically, we got 29% out of 100, so not really too good. It shows us our performance. Teachers would be able to see this throughout, like all the different kids and how, how they're doing. This is how people normally do global attempts, but you'd be able to size it down to just the students in your class, or in your group, actually. I haven't gotten there yet. And it always asks you to rate. So I'll just give it that. Alright, so as a teacher using this program, you can have like different, you can make different groups, which you make your own groups, your students come into them, and then your students will be able to take your quizzes and stuff, and also you can like kind of steal quizzes from other people and use them, because it's all sourcing, so everything's fair game. goconqr can be easily integrated into the classroom. Just, kids go on, and just like I made a teacher's account using Google, you can do the same thing and make a student account. When you make a student account, you can then sign up into your teacher's group and take your teacher's quizzes and exams and stuff like that. Another interesting feature of goconqr is that they have like study sheets on here too. So basically all the information from the lecture or from the class. goconqr has a couple of limitations that I noticed. In comparison to other like quiz websites, it doesn't really have a strong platform for analyzing test results from your own students in the class. It's really hard to get a feel of who exactly is struggling. There might be like add-ons, or maybe even, because this is a free version of this, The paid version might have those features, I'm not sure. But, it just seems lacking in giving the teacher a feel for how individual students in the class are doing. You can know how the class is doing, but really pinpointing who is struggling is, I think, the hard part. So that's goconqr. And yeah, try it out for your class. Thank you.